Hello students, our today's topic of discussion is fuels. Fuels, as we know that the power requirement is increasing day by day and the main source of energy is the heat, and heat can be produced by the fissionable substance which is called as a fuels. So we can define fuel as those combustible substance which on burning in presence of oxygen or air gives energy, and that is called as a fuel. For example, some different substances whenever come in contact with oxygen at a particular temperature and gives the byproduct, like for example this is fuel, and when it comes with in contact with oxygen it will give us heat or energy, that is measured in calories. Now like that fuels, for example, just a chemical constituent of fuel, main chemical constituent of fuel is carbon. So when 1 mole of carbon treated with 1 mole of oxygen, we can get 1 mole of carbon dioxide with about 97.6 kilocalories of heat. 6 kilocalories of heat, or which is in the form of energy. In this way, this is the fuel, and whenever there is a main chemical constituent of fuel is a carbon, that is called as a chemical fuel. Now there are number of types of fuel, like those fuel which is remain under the ground from number of years, from number of hundreds of years, that is called as a fossil fuel. So fuel is always that substance which is a combustible, and at a particular temperature when it comes in contact with oxygen it will give energy with its particular byproduct. So this is somewhat introductory part about fuels. Now fuels can be classified on the two different bases. So we will see now the classification of fuel. So first of all, fuel can be classified on the basis of its origin. So first on the basis of origin, and another on the basis of its physical state. Origin or its occurrence, from where it comes. So on the basis of origin, fuels are classified into mainly two types. Number one, primary fuels, which is also called as a natural fuel. Now primary fuels means those fuels which are primarily found, which are found directly in the nature, are called as the natural fuels or primary fuels. For example, wood, coal, coke, sometimes, then natural oil, natural gas. So any fuel which is directly found in a nature, that is called as a natural fuels or primary fuels. Then second is a secondary fuel. Secondary fuel, or it is also called as a artificial type of fuel. So whenever fuel is prepared from the primary fuel or from the natural fuel artificially, it is called as a secondary fuel or artificial type of fuel. In these examples are different type of coals which are prepared from the natural coal, then bituminous coal, coke, then charcoal, these are in the particularly solid state, then gasoline, then water gas, oil gas, those fuel which is found prepared from that particular found fuels, that is prepared from the primary fuels. So that are called as the secondary fuels. Then this is the classification on the basis of particularly its origin. But when classification on the another way, we can classify it on the basis of its particularly physical state, or we can say state of matter. So on the basis of physical state, fuels can be classified into another three types. Number one, solid fuels. So those fuels which are present in the solid state are called as the solid fuels. Number two, those fuels which are present in the liquid state at a room temperature particularly is called as the liquid fuels. And third, those fuels which are present in the gaseous state at a room temperature particularly is called as the gaseous fuels. Now we can have the different number of examples, like solid fuels, those fuels which are found in a nature in the solid state at a room temperature, like coal, coke, charcoal, then wood, peat, bituminous coal, any type of solid substance which can burn or can give energy, that is called as a solid fuels. Then second, liquid fuels. Liquid fuels are those fuels which are liquid at the room temperature and can be burnt to give energy, like like that is the petrol, diesel, gasoline, natural gas, oil gas, petrol, diesel, kerosene. So any liquid fuel which is found in the at the room temperature. And the third one is the gaseous fuels. Gaseous fuels, those fuels which are in the gaseous state in the room temperature. In these examples are natural gas, oil gas, LPG, biogas, water gas. So any type of gas which is in the gaseous state in the room temperature, that is called as the gaseous fuels. So this is very simple classification of the fuels on the basis of origin as well as on the basis of its physical state, and it is very important to understand, to study the forward or to research in this particular topic. Thank you.